This video we are going to see that how we can simulate any airfoil in the software XFLR5. So just open it and go in the module, and in the module go in the direct foil design. Now we are going to import a NACA series airfoil. So for that, go in the foil. One section is here of foil, and one option is there, NACA foils. So select the NACA foils and enter the any digit, any 4 digit. Suppose I want to choose 2412. Okay, and just number of panels, press OK. See, we are getting a shape of that airfoil directly. Okay, so I'm just taking another airfoil, NACA 0012, which is a symmetrical airfoil. Okay, and number of panels I am increasing to 200. This video is for the just for the learning purpose, so I am taking just random design. Okay, name of the airfoil will be NACA 0012. Press OK. Okay, now for the analysis. Okay, for the simple basic analysis, again go in the module, and one option is there for simulate this airfoil, direct foil design. So go in the direct foil design module, direct foil design. But to do the analysis, go in the XFoil direct analysis. So one option is there for the analysis, XFoil direct analysis. Select that option. Okay, so you will get the layout like this. Now to start the analysis, we need to give an input. Okay, so in the one option is there, analysis. So select that, and in the analysis go in the define an analysis. Okay, now you can define define the input condition in many ways. Okay, now I am going to apply a Reynolds number 250000. Okay, and in the analysis, again go in the analysis. In the XFoil advanced setting, we can change the number of iteration also. Okay, the iteration limits. V acceleration is 0.001. Okay, press OK. Now in the analysis setting, you can modify the angle of attack. For now for this analysis, it is from -5 degree to 20 degree. The angle will change from -5 to 20. Okay, so if I press the analyze button, so I will get the result. Okay, like this. So this is graph for CL versus CD. This is graph for CL versus alpha. This is graph for CM versus alpha. This is for, like this we get the graphs. Okay, now suppose if I want to export this graph. Okay, so what I need to do, just right click on this graph, go in the current graph option, and one option is there for export the graph. So just click on the export graph. Okay, now just I'm just saving this graph on the desktop. Okay, graph 120. Okay, just find. Okay, here is this this file is here. So see, we got the graph, we got the data in the Excel file. Now just select this data, go in the insert, and you can get the data points also, and you can make your own new graph for research paper or something. Okay, for your project purpose, you can export the graph like this. Every graph, to export the any graph, the process will be same. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel Dhruv Aerospace. And for the upcoming workshop notifications, just follow us on the Instagram and LinkedIn. Thank you.